What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So yeah, as you know so far that Huawei launched the HarmonyOs 2.0 beta yesterday on December 16th. It will basically allow Chinese developers to test HarmonyOs on different Huawei phones to make it kind of perfect. They also showcases a list of smartphones that are able to get HarmonyOs beta right now, and Huawei said that the first HarmonyOs phones would launch next year. And today, a new report shows that the Huawei P50 will be officially equipped with Harmony operating system. And that's really a great news. Like the Huawei P50 series is expected in the Q1 of 2021. In other words, this could be the first flagship Huawei phone to receive a pre-installed version of the home-built operating system. And if this report is somehow 100% real, then the P50 series will definitely make history, considering the first device to have a brand new operating system. Furthermore, Huawei is planning to have the new operating system on over 100 million devices by the end of next year. And you know what? These 100 million devices are not only from Huawei, but other brands are now also rumored to join the operating system. And that's really a great thing. And I would like to clear out that right now it's not confirmed that all Huawei P50 series phones will get it, or it would apply to specific regions, for example China only. But nevertheless, Huawei previously told us that the Harmony operating system is able to convert Android apps to run on the platform. So a smartphone running the platform might still have apps port comparable to Huawei phones without Google integration. So what I learned so far is that smartphone that will have Harmony operating system will still be able to have applications of Android. Like they will not completely ditch Android until the OS is matured. In simple words though, Huawei devices running Harmony operating system will support Android apps while the company grows its Harmony operating system ecosystem. And after it matures, Huawei will probably ditch Android. But the best thing is that the smartphone running HarmonyOs out of the box is on the pipeline, and I'm really excited about it. And right now, do take this information with a pinch of salt until it gets official confirmed by Huawei itself. So yeah, what do you think about this news? Are you guys excited to see the Huawei P50 series with Harmony operating system? If yes, let me know in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.